Good morning to all. Today we will discuss the summary of this chapter, electricity and circuits. We know that already we completed this chapter, and today we will discuss the summary of this chapter, 12th chapter, electricity and circuits. Okay, and the main points are written on the board. First one is electric cell, second one is filament, and third one is circuit, and fourth one switch, then conductors and insulators. These are the important points we want to study from this chapter, and I will discuss all the points one by one. First one is electric cell. Okay, in the introduction part already I discussed, and once again I will discuss. The electric cell means it is a device which used to provide the electric charge. Okay, so it is a device used to provide the electric charge, and it has two terminals. One is positive, other one is negative. Clear? And you can easily identify the projected part is called the positive terminal, and that flat part is called the negative terminal of the cell. Clear? And once again, electric cell, it is a device used to provide the electric charge. Clear? Then second one is filament. We know that what is the filament. In the bulb, we can say that inside the bulb there is a metallic part is there. That is called the filament. When the electricity passes through this filament, it will start producing heat and light energy. That is called the filament of a bulb. I think you are familiar with this filament. When you observe the bulb, you can see that filament. And the third one is electric circuit. Okay, so we know that circuit means it is a closed path for the flow of charge. Clear? Circuit means it is the path for the flow of charge. So I will show a simple circuit. So I took two cells. More than one cell is called a battery, and I took one LED bulb also, connected wires also. Clear? It is already shown in that introduction part. So once again, and this part I connected to the two terminals of the battery. Clear? So two terminals of the battery, and okay, so you can see that it is the bulb will glow. Okay, so we know that again once again I think the battery want to connect in the proper way, positive to terminal mode, and after that using the connecting wires, and we can make a simple circuit using the connecting wires, and there is a LED bulb also. And we know that there is a closed path produced. So we can say that the circuit, it is a closed path for the flow of charge, and the circuit also two types, open circuit and closed circuit. Only the bulb will glow in the case of closed circuits. Open circuit means it is not closed. Sometimes we know that it is not connected properly, it is called that open circuit. Clear? Then after that, switch. What is meant by the switch? We know that in our torch, so many devices are there. This is also shown in that introduction part. And I will explain the working of the switch. Clear? The switch means, so it has two modes, on position and off position. So here also it is related to this circuit. Okay, we already discussed that circuit, open circuit and closed circuit. The bulb will glow in the case of this closed circuit. So when the switch is in on mode, you can see that the bulb will glow. That means in that on position, the circuit will complete. That means it is the closed condition and the bulb will glow. So switch, we can make a definition for the switch. It is a device to either breaks or connect the circuit. Switch means it's a device used for to either connect or break the circuit. Clear? So once again, electric cell we discussed the filament, circuit and the switch. Then last portion, we can say that according to the passage of electricity, we can classify the materials into or objects into two categories. First one is conductors and insulators. Clear? So conductors means the objects which allow the passage of electricity through that. That type of objects is called the conductors. Clear? So conductors, once again, the objects which allows the passage of electricity through that type of objects is called the conductors, and all the metals are example for this conductors. Clear? Gold, then silver, copper, all are examples, all metals. And insulators means just opposite of this conductors. The objects which do not allow the passage of electricity, that is called the insulators. Clear? So wood, plastic, glass, all are example for this insulators. These are the important points you want to study from this chapter. So once again, electric cell, filament, circuit, switch, conductors and insulators. Electric cell, it is a device used to provide the electric charge, and we can say that what is by electric current? It is a flow of charge. Simple words we can say that it is a flow of charge. Then filament also, I think you got the idea. It is the metallic part. When the electricity passes through that, it will produce the light energy and the heat energy. Then circuit means it is a closed path for the flow of charge or electricity, and switch, it is a device used for either breaks or connect the circuit. Conductors and the insulators. Conductors means the objects which allows the passage of electricity through that is called conductors, and the insulators means the objects which do not allow the passage of electricity. Okay, so I think all of you got the idea about this, all the points. This much only want to study from this chapter. So study well and understand well. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.